And ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner in the best beach of Cyprus competition. This is Nissi beach that you can see on the other side. And right now I am on the Ayia Napa island. Yes. And Nissi beach, the translation in Greek means island beach because of this beautiful island that you can walk to from the main part of the beach. So it's very exotic and beautiful. This is how the island looks like, and there are some cliffs over there with a warning for unstable cliff edge over there. But look at that, this is beautiful. The color of the water is super amazing, and I've been to also to Fig Tree Bay on the first day, and I can now confirm that this is the best beach in Cyprus. I have actually visited this beach 5 years ago in 2018 in May, but now in late August it's super amazing. And yes, today is 31st of August and it's my birthday. Yes, I turned 33 years today. And what a wonderful way to celebrate the birthday on this beautiful beach here in Cyprus. So let's take a swim also, so that you can see also more of the beauty of the water. Just see the color. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Beautiful color of the water. And that's the island over there. It's called Nissi Island, but also Ayia Napa Island as well. And you can technically or practically walk from the mainland to the island, as I'm doing that right now. See? It's brilliant. And there is also super nice music coming from the bar at the Nissi Bay Beach Bar over there. And there is even a small church nearby. So yeah, real piece of heaven, indeed. Oh yes, this is the 6th beach now I visit today on my birthday here in Ayia Napa, and this is definitely by far the best and the most breathtaking beach over here. And it's so good to visit it once again after 5 years. And yeah, I think it was actually more crowded when I visited back then in May. I'm not sure why, but also back then there was also a sand path from the mainland to the island, but now it is not there. But I have a picture like that on my Facebook and Instagram accounts. Alright, here it is actually very shallow, so I'm gonna try to go a bit more further to take a nice swim over here. I'm gonna let you enjoy more these beautiful views over here in Nissi beach. Little piece of heaven. It's beautiful. Alright, it's time to take a swim finally in this paradise. Let's go! So yeah, it is very shallow, so I'm basically laying over here. But it gives, indeed, feeling that you're on the Maldives, right? Alright, awesome. I hope you enjoy this footage over here from Nissi's beach as much as I do, because I'm really having the best birthday ever over here. So yeah. Alright, fun fact about Cyprus that I need to tell you also. The population of Cyprus is 1.2 million people. Yep. It's quite a big island, so it's not so populated as it should be, but still. Anyway, I think it's time to wrap up this beach adventure from the best beach in Cyprus, Nissi beach in Ayia Napa. And make sure to tune in for more fantastic beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!